Welcome to Samar Hayat channel. Ready to take your photography game to the next level? Whether you're just starting out or looking to upgrade from your smartphone, finding the right camera can make all the difference. Meet the Canon EOS Rebel SL3. This camera is designed with beginners in mind but packs enough features to keep you growing as a photographer. The Canon EOS Rebel SL3 is one of the most popular entry-level DSLRs, and today you'll find out why. From its compact design to its powerful performance, this camera has it all. As a beginner, finding the right camera can be overwhelming. With so many options out there, it's easy to get lost in the technical jargon and endless features. You need something simple, yet powerful. A camera that can grow with you as you learn more about photography. The Rebel SL3 boasts stunning image quality with its 24.1 MP sensor. This means your photos will be sharp, vibrant, and full of detail, whether you're shooting landscapes, portraits, or action shots. It's incredibly user-friendly, thanks to its guided menus and touchscreen interface. The guided menus help you understand the settings and features, making it easier to get the perfect shot every time. Plus, it performs wonderfully in various shooting conditions, whether you're capturing a sunset or a fast-paced game. The camera's versatility ensures you won't miss a moment, no matter the lighting or action. But what really sets it apart? What makes the Rebel SL3 stand out in a crowded market of entry-level DSLRs? The dual-pixel autofocus system is a game-changer. This advanced feature ensures that your subjects are always in focus, even when they're moving. It makes tracking moving subjects a breeze. Whether you're photographing your kids playing in the yard or capturing wildlife on a hike, the Rebel SL3 has you covered. In summary, the Canon EOS Rebel SL3 is a strong contender with its ease of use, image quality, and standout features. It's a camera that can grow with you, offering both simplicity for beginners and advanced features for more experienced photographers. Have you tried the Rebel SL3? What are your thoughts on its performance and features? We'd love to hear your experiences. Drop your thoughts in the comments, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and check out my other camera reviews. Your feedback helps us create better content for you. Thanks for watching, and happy shooting!